Discovery is the formal process of exchanging information between the parties about the witnesses and evidence that they will present at trial. Litigators spend a great deal of time drafting and responding to discovery requests. In this video, you will learn why Lexis Practical Guidance should be your go-to resource when assigned a discovery task. For example, you have been asked to draft a request for production of documents to plaintiffs in an employment discrimination case in federal court. Starting on the Lexis Plus homepage, click Practical Guidance in the Experience dock. When you hover over it, it will turn blue. Practical Guidance is an excellent place to begin because it provides you easy access to real practice resources in the form of practice notes, checklists, videos, and in our case today, templates or forms that have been authored by more than 1,750 practicing attorney authors from 99 of the Am Law 100 law firms. These practitioners offer their insights, tips, and best practices. There are 26 practice areas covered in Practical Guidance. If you find yourself working in any of these other practice areas, remember, the same valuable, expertly written content is available. Start by clicking Civil Litigation in the list of practice areas. You can search these resources, or as a new associate, you may be unfamiliar with the terms, concepts, or acronyms common to your task. This may present a challenge to building the most effective search. No worries. In Practical Guidance, you have the option to browse civil litigation, topics, and tasks. The list of topics and tasks represents the various types of issues that civil litigators may encounter. Since our assignment is to draft a request for production of documents, select the Discovery task. What you see now is a listing of all the materials related to discovery, categorized by content type. Use the filters on the left to further narrow the discovery content to focus on a specific task, jurisdiction, or industry. Use the jurisdiction filter to narrow the results to federal court. Since this is your first time drafting discovery, it might be helpful to get some insights on the process. In the filtered results, listed alphabetically, is a practice note entitled Civil Litigation Process Map, Discovery. First, look at the litigation process map, which shows the general life cycle of a case in federal court. Scrolling down further, there is a chart which lays out the various phases of discovery, including document requests. Guidance on drafting document requests is followed by a list of the documents within Practical Guidance that will help you complete the task. Let's start by looking at the first document. Document Requests, Initial Considerations, Federal. All practice notes include a linkable table of contents and an opening paragraph that will summarize what is covered. Links to related content follow. Practice notes provide a deep dive practical look at a topic or subtopic. They are designed to get you up to speed quickly on a particular task or topic. Based on this summary, this practice note appears to be a document you will want to read to assist you. Let's return to our process map and take a look at a template. Open the Requests for Production of Documents, RFPs, Defendant to Plaintiff. Since your task is to draft document requests to plaintiff. As with practice notes, templates include a summary, which is a good starting point because it includes a brief summary of the form and its purpose. This ensures it will meet your specific needs as well as providing links to related guidance. Practical Guidance templates also provide you with notes and alternative clauses that may help you in drafting your document requests. Click on the plus sign next to Expand All Drafting Notes and Expand All Clauses to see them displayed in the template. Here, you see that you are given some notes to assist in drafting the caption. Scroll further to see an alternate clause you may want to use to the extent the parties have entered into any stipulations related to these requests. Now you see the document requests. This will be a great starting point for your drafting assignment. Use the Open in Word feature to begin customizing this template for your assignment. Simply click this link and the document will automatically open in Word where you can adjust formatting, cut and paste, or save it as you would any other Word document. For many, this is a preferred method of preserving practical guidance templates. Finally, let's look at the checklist for this task. Returning to our process map, let's click on the Document Requests, Drafting RFPs, Checklist, Federal. This checklist discusses how to draft requests for production RFPs of relevant documents and electronically stored information directed at a party in a federal court litigation. This will be very useful for your task. You have now learned why Lexis Practical Guidance is your go-to resource for drafting discovery requests. Practice Notes gets you up to speed quickly. Templates supports your drafting needs, and checklists ensure you don't miss a step. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, reach out to your Lexis representative to schedule a training session or contact customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-800-45-LEXIS or via chat.